Step 1. Clean your tub and prepare it for the tub armor cover. For this, you'll only need a shop vac and a damp rag. Vacuum any loose debris or dust, then use your damp rag to wipe down the tub. Be sure to give the sides extra attention so the armor tape adheres to the edges properly. Step 2. Remove all of the contents from the bag and lay them out within reach. The bag contains armor tape, 2 base layers, and the armor tub cover. Step 3. Place the base layer over the edge of the tub. Next, place your secondary base layer at the bottom of the tub. These will protect the surface throughout your construction process. Step 4. Peel off roughly 8 to 10 inches of armor tape and tape the corners of the base layer while pressing down on the foam so it doesn't shift while working on the tub. Step 5. Peel off 8 to 10 inches of armor tape and tape the corners of the secondary base layer while pressing down on the foam so the foam and tape fits the profile of the tub. Step 6. Now you're ready to install the armor tub cover. Unfold and align the cover so that the long side is running along the long side of your tub, and the short side runs along the short side of your tub. Step 7. Align the back left corner 2 inches from the wall and apply 3 to 4 inches of tape. Repeat this process to the back right corner. You should have excess material along the back of the tub. Step 8. Use a Z-fold to remove excess material on the back edge of the tub. Once tight, apply a 3 to 4 inch piece of armor tape over the Z-fold to keep it in place. Step 9. Apply armor tape along all 3 top edges of the tub. Step 10. Apply armor tape down each side of the front of the tub. Your tub is now protected. When finished, simply remove the tape and the armor tub cover.